Hello, in this Solidity programming tutorial, we are going to look at function modifiers. So a function modifier essentially allows you to easily apply a condition to a function. So when that function is called, if this condition is not met, that function won't actually get called. So it's automatically applied beforehand. So it's, instead of doing something like if, etc., then applying it, this is great if, let's say, you're calling the method several times in several different locations in your contract, maybe even from different contracts if it's from another contract. This is fantastic because you don't have to keep writing that if condition. It's just automatically applied. So let's create another contract. You know what I'm going to call it if you've been following this series. Simple. And in here, what we'll do is create an unsigned integer, and we'll make this public so we have an accessor function that we can use to access it. And I'll assign a value of 0 by default. And to create a modifier, you just do modifier, and then the name of your modifier. I'm going to call it mod, but obviously you can use whatever name you want. Put require, and this is basically the condition. And I'm going to say while hello is less than 5, then we will, run the method which we'll write in a moment. So it's moaning about some error, and this is just occurring because at the end you need to put underscore semicolon. So that's just the way the modifier is terminated. And now if we put the key, if we put function set hello, so we're going to set the value for hello and provide a unsigned integer value, and to apply the mod you just put the name of the mod at the end. And now in here we're going to put hello equals value. So before we run this and before we actually create the instance of simple in the simple storage contract and then test it, what this does is when set hello is called, it basically calls set, and it calls mod. And mod checks if the hello value is less than 5. If it is, it continues executing the set hello method. So in here, what we're going to do is first of all just create a instance of the contract. So s1 equals new simple, and what we're going to do is just comment this out, and we'll put s1 dot set hello x, and what we're going to return is s1 dot hello. So we're just returning the value itself. So the extra semicolon, my bad. So go to simple storage, create, and if we click get, we get 0. That's standard. So if I were to put a value of, let's say 3, set get, we get 3. That's cool. If I put a value of 9, set get, we get 9 again. See what happens if we put a value of 10 now. Set get. It hasn't, changed the value, and the reason is in here when it calls the set hello method, what it does is checks with mod, and mod says that if the value for hello has gone above or is equal to 5, then don't run the method. So in this contract, we are saying that if hello is above 5 or equal to 5, then we are saying that we don't want to change the value anymore. Maybe it's hit its limit and you can't go any lower. Obviously you can put any sort of value, any sort of condition you want. You can use other sorts of variables if you so desire. It's just simple conditions. So that's it for function modifiers. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and as usual, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.